Why Olympic rowers are switching to the little-known hardwood, Paulownia. Everyone thinks Olympic rowing is about the athlete's strength and technique. Here's the shocking truth. The boat material can make or break a gold medal performance. While most rowers use carbon fiber, some single-scull rowing builders are secretly switching to the little-known hardwood, Paulownia. Behind-the-scenes discovery. Last year, a master boat builder revealed something extraordinary during stability testing. He marked a 7/11/16" wide Paulownia plank at 72% moisture content. 2 months later, it had dried to 12% moisture, but lost only 3/32 inch in width. Compare that to white oak, which shrinks 1/4 inch on a 12-inch board. That's significant in that it's such a small amount. For precision rowing shells where millimeters matter, this stability is game-changing. The Performance Advantage Framework. Step 1. Eliminate structural movement. The performance advantage starts with structural integrity. In marine performance tests, Paulownia planking showed zero buckling or movement. As the builder explained, "We don't want that. We can't have that. That's bad for a boat." Step 2. Maximize weight efficiency. Step 2. Maximize weight efficiency. Cypress boats weigh 200 pounds. Paulownia boats weigh 165 to 170 pounds. That's a 35-pound weight savings on 14.5-foot boats, a minimum 17.5% weight reduction over other wood species. Step 3. Enhance racing performance. Step 3. Enhance racing performance. In single sculling, the king's class of rowing, every ounce matters. The boat is 27 feet long, weighs just 31 pounds minimum, and requires perfect balance. Lighter, more stable construction means faster times. Industry insight with technical data. Here's what elite rowing coaches understand. Single sculling is the ultimate technique test. The boat is notoriously tippy and unforgiving. Any structural movement or excess weight gets amplified into performance loss. Paulownia's dimensional stability and weight advantage solve both problems simultaneously. While competitors fight structural movement and excess weight, Paulownia boats deliver consistent performance. For competition or leisure, while most rowers focus on training harder, elite boat builders are gaining advantages through smarter materials. Paulownia isn't just lighter, it's more stable, more consistent, and more competitive. Called the aluminum of wood. What's the most surprising material advantage you've discovered in competitive sports? Lightweight alternatives that actually perform better? Traditional materials being outclassed by unexpected options? Share your experience below. If Paulownia can give Olympic rowers a competitive edge through superior stability and weight savings, imagine its potential in your precision applications. At Bioeconomy Solutions, we supply premium Paulownia lumber for high-performance applications where every gram and millimeter counts. Ready to explore how Paulownia can enhance your precision manufacturing? Book a private consultation call at bioeconomysolutions.com.